Thank you for watching this new Zackus travel video we have. It's all about the Away travel bag and it's all about packing. I wanted to show you guys really quick, super simple, what you can fit in this bag, and you can fit a ton in this bag. It looks small, it carries very lightweight, it's very easy to get around, but it holds a ton of stuff. And so I'm gonna show you that. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this really short video helps you to understand that you can get a lot in this bag and what you can fit in there and how it all works. The two different compartments and the compression sleeve really make it easy. And I have some other Away travel bags too to show you the outsides and insides of the pockets and leather pockets and the aluminum and all that great stuff. So check that out. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below. Become a subscriber for free. Free to do so, cancel at any time. We're gonna have some awesome videos here and content for you on how to travel in style on a budget, and all the stuff I research and stuff when I travel, I'm gonna bring that to you guys here and on our blog and all that great stuff. So be sure and check that out. We're also on Instagram, be sure to check that out. We have 287,000 followers, awesome. So be sure and check that out, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful day. Safe travels. Peace.